Hello everyone, I am Anjali and today we are going to talk about data types in Python. So in the last lecture, we talked about variables in which we know that the variables hold some sort of data. And a data type defines the kind of value a variable can hold and what operation we can perform on it. So Python comes with built-in data types like number, string, boolean, list, set, dictionary, etc. In this lecture, we are going to cover number, string and boolean. We are going to make separate video on list, tuple, set, dictionary, etc. In numbers, it comes with integer, float and complex numbers. If we talk about integers, for an example, if I take number variable and I put 10 in it, so I will use print to get the output on the user screen. I am using type and then I am passing the variable, and if I run it, it shows me integer. So it is an integer data type. Now if I make some changes, I put a decimal value. So all the decimal values are float values. Now if I save and run it, it is going to show me that it is a float data type. So now if we talk about complex numbers, it is a combination of real and imaginary part. Let's see with an example. If I change this value with 10 plus 3j, so here we know that the complex number contain I for the imaginary part. So here we use j instead of I for complex numbers. Now if I save and I also pass this variable to the type function and then run it, it shows me that it is a complex number. So next we are going to talk about strings. It is nothing but the sequence of characters. Means everything related to text comes in string. For an example, if I want to store a name of a user and then I take John as a name, so I print and use the type function again and pass the name, and then I run it, it shows me that it is string type. Now let's next talk about booleans. So booleans have only two possibilities, either it is going to be true or else false. So we use in conditional statements and logics to get our output in true and false. For an example, I take two numbers, number 1 as 10 and number 2 as 40. So now if I ask for whether number 1 is greater than number 2 and then I save and run it, it's tell me it's false, that number 1 is not greater than number 2. If I reverse this situation, if I ask if number 1 is lesser than number 2 and then I run it, it's tell me true, means the condition is right. So now you know that every data type have its own purpose. For numbers, we have integer and float. For text, we have strings. And for logical and conditional statements, we have boolean. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, hit a like, share with your friend, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe. Till the next video, keep practicing.